This is what $380,000 can buy you in Collierville, Tennessee. By the way, my name is Sal, and I'm a Memphis, Tennessee real estate agent, and I help families and individuals like yourself have a smoother transition to Memphis. So whether you're looking to make your move as quick as possible, I'm here to guide you through the process and find you the best house according to your specific needs. So follow me to Collierville so you can have an idea of what an affordable house looks like. So here we're driving into Collierville, and I want you to take a look at the city here so you can kind of have an idea of how it looks. So Collierville is about, I would say, a 20 to 25 minute drive if you jump on the freeway from Collierville to downtown Memphis. So right now we're going east on Poplar Avenue, which is the main avenue here in Collierville. And if you notice, this avenue is where most of your shopping and retail centers are. You'll see the restaurants. For example, we just passed a Chick-fil-A. This center here to my left is where the Home Depot is, the Target. You'll also find restaurants like the Perkins restaurant, and there's a Starbucks, Arby's on this side. So most of, like I said, most of your restaurants and shopping centers will be here, which the property we're gonna look at today is really close to this area of Collierville. So this is our turn right here. We're going to the left, and just up the road you'll find the Walmart, which is really convenient, like I said, to where this property is. So another thing that people love about Collierville is their school systems. They've got really good schools, and they're graded at 9 out of 10, like their elementary, their middle school, and their high school. So that's the Kroger right there. Also really convenient for grocery shopping. We've got an Academy Sports on this side, the Target, and we've got a Lowe's also coming up here. And if you notice in this area of town in Collierville, you're gonna find that the city stays really clean. All the houses are really kept up. So that's always a plus. So this is the Collierville Middle School. Very nice campus. So this is a subdivision where the property is located. All right, so we made it to the property. This house is a 4-bedroom house. It has 2 full bathrooms. It has a 1.5 bathroom, and it's a 1.5 story. All right, so let's take a look inside. So as we come in, we are greeted by the main living room area. And I'm gonna walk around here so you guys can have kind of some perspective on how big it is. So this part here is leading into the kitchen, and we're at the main living room area. We've got also a little bit of vaulted ceilings here, which are very nice. But I'm just walking around here so you guys can have a little bit of perspective on how big this living room area is. And then from here, we're gonna walk into the main dining room. So this here would be the main dining area. And again, just kind of like walking, showing you for perspective. And let's go ahead and walk over here to the kitchen. So the kitchen has tile floor, and I'll show it to you guys in a little bit so you can see it. So this is the kitchen area. Again, just kind of like showing you for perspective. And let me show you here a little bit of POV footage so you can see around the house. So like I said, this is the main dining room area, and it's carpeted. Also living room with carpet. And we have a fireplace here. So here's this area in the kitchen, tile floors, and another space where you can put another kitchen table for your breakfast area. So we've got the kitchen here. Now this house has not been fully updated. As you can see, it still has these type of counters, which nowadays most of the houses they're going with granite, quartz countertops, and it's mostly in its original condition. If you look at the cabinets also, original cabinets, appliances, they're all working. So here we go into the garage. And like I said, I don't consider this a fully updated house, but being in Collierville, it's a very affordable house for this area. Okay, so from here in the kitchen, it leads off to the primary bedroom, which is downstairs. So let me show you around here, and in a few seconds I'll jump into the camera so you can kind of like have some perspective as far as how big it is. So this is the walk-in closet here. And then on this side we have also a little small closet here under the stairs. And then from here we walk into the primary bathroom here. So it's got a jacuzzi, a walk-in shower here, and it's got its own bathroom in here. And as you can see, like I said, this house has not been updated. Still has like the original sinks and counters. All right, so let me jump here in the frame so you can have an idea of how big the primary bedroom is. So let me walk around here a bit. One edge of the wall over here. And let's go up here to the walk-in closet so you can kind of see also how big this is. So if I kind of like go in here, stretch my hands all the way over here, and that's one side of the wall, other, decent size. But overall, it's a very nice house. It's ready to move in. And the best part is that right now the seller is offering a $10,000 credit to the buyer. So this is a great opportunity for somebody that's looking for some assistance, like for down payment. This is a great opportunity here in Collierville. So let's go ahead and head upstairs. So here we're coming upstairs, And these are where the 3 other bedrooms are. So let's walk into this bedroom here. So you can kind of see also like how big it is. And then let's go across this hall here. And here to our left is the bathroom for upstairs. And as you can see, the top floor is all with carpet. And here is the other bedroom. So it's got its own closet here also, along with carpet. And then this is the other bedroom also. And this is the back of the house here. So it's a pretty nice big lot here. A lot of room for pretty much anything that you want to do. Little playground for the kids, grilling. Very spacious. Now, something that I do want to mention is that this house is really close to W.C. Johnson Park, which is a very big complex that has baseball fields, soccer fields. It's got nature trails. It's got its own lake, where if you like running, biking, like things like outdoors, this would be a great option also, as that is like really close. Now, at the time of this recording, there are 181 active listings here in the city of Collierville. The highest coming in shy below 4 million and the lowest coming in at 200,000. So a median listing price right now in the city of Collierville, you're looking at like around 590,000. All right, this is what $380,000 can buy you in the city of Collierville. So if you're interested in making a move to Memphis or its surrounding areas, if you like this house or any other house that you see in the market, do not hesitate to contact me. I'm gonna put my phone number right here. I'm really easy to get a hold of. And let's go ahead and start your journey today. Let's talk, let's meet, and see if we can find you the right place for you. All right, so that's gonna be it for this video. If you enjoy content like this, or you're interested in exploring Memphis and its surrounding areas, I would really appreciate you if you could like the video and subscribe to my channel, as it doesn't cost anything to you, but it makes a world of a difference for me, and it keeps me motivated to keep doing these videos for you guys. Also, if you would like to see a video of the top 3 fastest growing suburbs in the Memphis area, you can check it out right here.